2, 1, drop it.
What's up, YouTube? This is Pokemon Master.
Good jokes, Alfies. What's up, YouTube? What am I doing now? Yes, so you guys, it is Dilton TV here today. Today we are back with another video, and the video is me and Alfie doing a bike ride. Yes, alright, we get it, Alfie. So yes, it's me and Alfie on a GoPro Hero 7.
Check out Pokemon Master on YouTube.
No, don't check out the Pokemon Master. Just don't, because it's squeaky. Yeah, so we are on the GoPro Hero 7 and we're about to get run over. So yeah, a GoPro Hero 7. This is the new GoPro, which has just come out this year.
You need to see that.
Oh, we nearly crashed.
You nearly crashed it.
That's like our first collision. Well, yeah, true, but you know. So yeah, but before we get into this video, make sure you hit that like button, turn on notifications, so you know can we at least get 10 likes on this video? That will absolutely amazing. So yeah, let's get straight into it and start the bike ride. It isn't just this cheapy boring bike ride around our coast. We are going on to the Lion Beds. Lion Beds, these like really tall mountains, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, they're there. I don't know if you can see them, but they're like the hills up there, and we'll be riding across them and stuff. But before we get to this video, we would like you to tell you about what I did earlier. So we are doing this a second time. It's actually really tiring now, but the first time, instead of doing a video, because it's a new camera, I took 999 photos instead of doing a video. So that is like really funny. And yeah, and also we got shouted, oi!
We got really creeped out.
Yeah, we got really creeped out, and we had to ask this person who's riding. Well, I thought we were doing a video, but I accidentally took 999 pictures, which is weird. So yeah,
when we were riding, I face bumped.
yeah,
I fell off my bike and I face bumped.
yeah, we probably will do that again, knowing Alfie. So yeah, let's not get trouble oi this time, because that was really creepy. So yeah, yeah, on your right, that sound. Just watch yourself, because big trucks come. Like yes, they do. Big massive trucks come, and they can run you over.
Wait, I'll go first.
Woo! Guys! So yeah. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on notifications so you're notified every time I make a video. Lexi isn't on this. Lexi isn't on this video because she is sat home and she is very poorly. She probably would have come on it, a bike ride, but not today. Maybe the next one. So yeah, she's sat home poorly. So yeah, and yeah, any videos? What? Alfie, you're actually mad. Alfie, you're mad. Alfie, you're mad. Alfie's mad. Alfie, you're actually mad. He just hit his head on that.
When I was riding, I was trying to grab the tree like this, and then I fell off.
Alright, so yeah, let's get on with the video. You won't be hearing too many cars, because that is actually probably really annoying, isn't it, guys? Hearing just cars going meow, meow, meow.
Yes!
He's ready.
I am ready!
And his chain just doesn't sound right, but anyways. It's in gear 2, it normally does it to my dad's.
Right, we have to get up this mountain thing.
Oh, Jesus! Oh, my leg! Oh, my leg! Oh, I can't ride a bike. I have been told that a couple of times off a few people. I think they're right. because I actually can't ride my bike. Oh, there's a dog there. 2 dogs, should I say. And then there's 2 women.
Right.
Yeah.
We've had 2 crashes so far.
Oh, here comes the dog.
Oh, hello.
Alfie.
Hello.
Hi, dogs. Oh, scary.
Milestone.
Alfie, don't. You're just getting biting us.
I see.
Right then.
Hello.
We just have to. Oh, they're coming to Sniffles. So.
Where's the dogs? Oh my.
Oh, they're cute.
Oh my.
They're cute.
What is happening?
4 dogs.
Ah!
She's.
No!
Alfie, do you like?
Stop!
Come on.
No attacking me!
No, try not to scream because the scream actually makes them excitable, and if you, they won't bite. But with dogs, the screaming actually hypens them a little bit. Okay. He'll think you want to play with him. Thank you, boys.
See you in a bit.
See ya!
Alfie, change your second gear. Change your second gear. Change to your left gear. There you go.
I just changed my right doing it.
So apparently they play.
Right, well there was some very nice dogs there.
Yeah, trying to sniff Alfie up.
You were trying to
Man, if we get shouted, oi, then this is, it's not
we
good.
must be getting
Then if we do, then I'm actually going back. Now we need to carry on because it's the video. Dilgan TV.
Yeah, we don't want to get stalked.
We're not going to get stalked, are we? If we do, we have evidence on the GoPro to show to the police.
Oh yeah.
I know. Go on, go! So yeah, this is the hill. This is where we got shouted, oi.
This is the festival.
Yeah, I can see Alfie coming up there now, can't you? Everyone can. I nearly got bird poo on me. Oh, Alfie, I just saw, and you might have known, Alfie's tail just went, just like skidded. Oh. Oh my god, this is actually so creepy, guys. This is, I don't know where it was. Alfie, shut up, because the guy might be here. If the guy is here, then he's just creepy. Now I won't punch him, just ride. This is getting creepy now. This is like where he said. I just keep looking behind, guys, because I don't know whether he'll be riding. Oh my god, this is so damn creepy. Guys, I'm not liking this.
Hey, dog poo.
Yeah, I know, that's what I got caught last time. Did we take this? Oh, so it's like where we got caught now. Guys, this is so creepy. Guys, I'm not liking it.
This is where I skid in here.
Okay, skidded here.
Right in the last bit.
Right. I don't think he's here today, guys. I don't know if you can hear me. It's so creepy. I don't really shouting out top of my voice. You see, guys, if you want to see another kind of these videos, then make sure you like and subscribe. So you know, like every time we make a video. Yeah. It's creepy though, isn't it, Alfie? I just feel like creepy. It's just creepy.
I feel like this used to be a motorway. Because
A
you
motorway?
find those things on the
Now this was part of ICI. It's what my dad told me. It was part of ICI, and it's where they used to like put all the stuff from ICI from. Oh, you know, sound. Yeah, it's where they used to put all the stuff from ICI.
Please let me get in front of you. So you can see all that.
Oh, you just splattered me with water pumpkin. Yeah, this GoPro is waterproof, guys. So yeah, it wouldn't matter if this GoPro actually got wet or whatever.
It's waterproof.
Yeah. Come on, Alfie, speed up. We don't want to be taking ages, do we? So yeah.
Yeah, we used to get the engine.
True, the engine, yeah, there is a ramp. So I think the guy is gone or gone somewhere.
He must have gone. He must have thought that the stairs was off.
Oh my god, this is just... I don't know if I'll come back down here again. I think we're just doing this because of the video, guys. Because it's actually so creepy. And you probably want to see a mountain bike video. The fuzz. The birds are scaring me now.
There's a chicken. There's a bird that sounded like a chicken.
That's scaring me.
No, there's a bird that sounded like a peacock. It was a sparrow that sounded like a peacock.
That's scaring me though. Shout out to Will Harrison, because when we were riding with Will Harrison, he pretended, Will next door, he pretended he fell off his bike. Literally he was there for like 5 minutes, just dead on the floor. We thought we actually like dead, I guess, because he all KO'd.
This is basically where it was. Said,
Oh, this is just creepy. This is just creepy. I'm not liking it. Scooby-Doo?
yeah,
And with any like SpongeBob, Fireman Sam, Peppa Pig, he makes Scooby-Doo.
yeah, Peppa Pig doesn't. Someone needs to fight this.
Well, I don't watch Scooby-Doo, I used to watch Fireman Sam. Alfie. My tyres, I don't know if you can see them, guys, but they are kind of, I just got mud all over my. So yeah, it's the part where we were talking to the woman. I think it's all clear now. I think we've got the line beds to ourselves. Pedal, Alfie. You get fitter if you do stuff like this. Absolutely hammer the mountains. Ah, lucky Alfie.
I need some energy for the bumps. Let me go from it first.
Here are some ramps. So Alfie fell off round here.
This is where I face down.
Oh, I just don't want to be face planking there. Okay then. So yeah, Alfie hasn't fallen off yet, guys.
Yeah, I did.
Well yeah, but he's not fallen off on this like traily bit.
You get up there, Reese. So then I'll get my bike up to you.
Oh, don't know if you can hear that, guys, but that's the pipes. We're right next to a pipe. Got it.
Okay,
Oh yeah, there's people there, guys.
Well, yeah, but they wouldn't shout.
Nah, you won't see a kid. So you can get it over. Lift it up, Alfie, because you'll scratch you. There you go. One over. Okay. So guys, we are near the end of this bike ride. But if you want to ride with us, if you want to come out, ride with us, we'll film it if you want to. Anything what you want, because me and Alfie, we love bike riding. And yeah, so if you want to come out, ride with us, or do anything, just comment down below bike ride, or any type of video you want to be, because you can be in our videos, only if you comment what video you want to be in. That was a bit tough there, guys. I nearly went. So yeah, make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, turn on notifications so you're notified every time me, Alfie, Lexi make a video. And when we go down this hill, we will end it for you guys. So yeah, see you in a bit, guys. And yeah, Alfie, do you have to say anything to the camera?
Yeah, United are the best.
So you just said United are the best. I don't know if that's true.
It's a true fact.
Okay then. So yeah, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And yeah, peace out and see you later.